Hey, it's Aran here. I wanted to show you the bonuses that you're getting when signing up for the website creation masterclass. In case you haven't registered for this masterclass, please do so and you'll be receiving an email with the link to this page where you can claim the bonuses. There are 3 different bonuses and I'm going to explain how to make use of these bonuses in this video. So bonus number 1 is a sales page template. Now you will see the actual template right here, and the way it works, I want to show you how to use it. So first of all, this sales page is based on this sales page, this link. So you can click on this link and have a read of this sales page. This is an old sales page, but you can see what I did, how I did it, and stuff like that. So this is a well laid out sales page and it converted well for me. So this is worth checking out. Now, here I then give you a breakdown of the different details of what the page is about. So you can have a read and so on. Okay, now you'll notice the thing in yellow, that's just a call to action, i.e. the button. You can see it on the sales page, there's different buttons. So that's what this is in yellow, okay? So look at the details and answer those. Now I'll show you how to answer those in a second. That's where bonus number 2 comes in. So have a read, you'll see all the details and so on. If you're kind of stuck for copy ideas, you can read this blog. If you want to improve your copywriting skills, I would definitely recommend buying this book called Copywriting Sequence. Just click on this link. And just to learn more about funnels and how to sell your information online and turn your passion and expertise into a real business, I definitely recommend these 2 books. You can click on those links and purchase those. These are not my books, but I have learned tremendous amount of content and information and value from these books. Honestly, they're better than some $2,000 programs that I've paid, so I definitely highly recommend those books. Now, where do you fill out all this information that is covered in this particular bonus? So let me take you back to this page. You'll see bonus number 2. You click on it, and you will see it will take you to this page, which is a Google Sheet called DIY Do-It-Yourself Website Preparation Checklist. All you gotta do is click on Use Template, so just click on it, and then you will see the tab here at the very bottom called Sales Page Outline. So you'll see the headline, the hook, the sales video, call to action, who is this course for, who is it not for, and so on. Now realize I'm saying who is this course for, it doesn't mean it has to be a course. It can be a membership, it can be a coaching program, it could be a freelance service, it doesn't really matter. The point is, this is a really good breakdown to get all the content together, and then you're going to basically fill in the details right here next to it. Now, you will notice that here I explained a little bit about how to do it. Here is where you actually fill it out, okay? So by the time you finish filling out all the details here, you should have, give or take, 70-80% of the content for your sales page. The reason I'm saying 70 to 80% is because once you start building it after my masterclass, you may find that you might be missing some gaps and things like that. But this will give you a lot of information you actually need and will save you a lot of time. And it's a very efficient way to actually get your sales copy done. Now you might be wondering, well, I'm not ready for a sales page. I need other things. That's cool. What you're going to do is you're going to go to the checklist, the website preparation checklist. And there is a whole bunch of steps here. For example, do you even know what software you're going to use? If not, well, I've got you covered. You're going to click right here on bonus number 3, and we're going to hop on a Zoom call, and one-on-one, I will help you choose the best software for your business. Now, there is other things like that here, different points of checklist that you need to answer. You can answer yes, no, and if you don't worry, we will cover that in the masterclass. But if you do, get those things ready. For example, do you have nice images of yourself? If you don't, get those done before the masterclass. That will be helpful. Or go, I'm sure you probably have it on your phone. Go and find them and put it in a folder on your computer. Okay? Do you know who you're serving? Who is your ideal customer? If you don't know, think about it. Who do you want to serve? Who do you want to help? Okay? So type the details here. This will help you a lot. Now, once you fill out this checklist, what will also be very helpful for you is the next step, which is FAQ Bank. Now, I'm not going to give away too much, But basically, all you want to do here is make a list of every single question that your customers continuously ask you. Whether it's on social media they ask you, in comments, in direct messages, or on strategy calls or sales calls that you actually do. Write all the questions here and start typing up the answers, okay? The last thing that I would love for you to do before the masterclass as well is to just find if there's any website that you love already, make a list of them right here and type up what do you love about them, okay? So that's how I want you to make use of bonus number 2. By doing all this preparation, I'm telling you, by the time you come to my masterclass and you actually go through my training, you're going to be blown away by the simplicity and efficiency with which you can get your first website done. Or if you have a website, how to streamline it so it is so much more effective for what it is you're trying to do, so you can make sales happen online in a lot more efficient way. So that's about it. If you're not registered to the masterclass, please go do so right now and sign up for it. You simply need to go to website DIYcourse.com. You will see the details right here as you go through this page. Okay, so this is the details. You click on the button right here and you'll be able to register. Once you registered, you will receive a confirmation email. Make sure you check your promotions or spam if you haven't received it, because it will take you to this page. Without this email, you will not be able to see this page at all. And you gotta make sure that you see this page on desktop. It will not be visible on mobile. And I did it that way deliberately because I want you to be able to consume all the content here from desktop where you have your full attention. You're not just scrolling through your phone and so on. You'll see the event is right here as well. So make sure you go to YouTube and also turn on the notification because it will be streamed there. And the video you're seeing right now, you will see it right here, okay? So that's about it. Thanks a lot. Really appreciate you. Of course, if you like the bonuses and you want to share, I'd really appreciate you sharing this as well. But I just want to do a quick video to show you how to make use of these bonuses. So go ahead and make use of these bonuses right now. I'm recording this video on the 2nd of January here in Australia. It's the 1st of January still in the US. So there's still about 10 or so days for you to make use of these bonuses. I really want you to make use of it because you're going to come to the masterclass so much more prepared and it's going to be freaking awesome. That's about it. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll speak to you soon.